Hello artists, my name is Sajid Rahim. I'm a 2D 3D artist and animator. Today I'm going to show you how we can fix the vertex welding issue. So you may know that when we export our model from Clo or Marvelous Designer, we always face some vertex welding issue if we export with the welded vertice option. So this is the main thing that I wish to show you, because here you can see our model has some folds. If we export this model with the weld vertex settings, these you can see overlapping or folds will be welded as well. So this is the thing that we don't want, because topology will also be very different from this one. So the whole topology will be changed if we if we export this model with welded option. So what I'm going to do is just simply going to export this model. All the UVs are laid out already. I'm going to name it. Okay, we have some export options here. We don't want to export our avatar, so I will uncheck this one. And we also don't want the top stitch, so I'm going to deselect that one as well. Here you can see we have option that we can export this model in a single object, or we can also export this model in multiple objects. So these all the parts will be separated from each other. So if we export our model in with the unwelded settings, then we can weld these vertices very easily. But if we export this model with the welded vertices setting, you can see all the folds will become so meshy, and the model will not look like this, because all the topology will be changed. So this is why we must need to export our model with unwelded settings. We can also export multiple objects, and here we have option what type of operations you want. You want to export thin model or a thick model. So I wish to export my model thick, and I want the multiple objects, but we can also export a single object as a thick or single object as a thin, and we have these now two more options available in a single object option. So I am going to select the multiple objects and thick, and then I will also check this unified UV coordinates, and text size is okay for me, and I am going to just export it. Okay, the model is now exported. Okay, the Clo3d exported two files. You can see the warrior outfit 0 and warrior outfit 1. So both are the same files. We can use anyone, but I'm going to show you with this one 01. But these both files are same. I am going to import this model into 3ds Max. Okay, here you can see our model has so many parts. Like you can see these all parts are in a separate category, or these all are separate. So first of all, we need to convert these to editable poly, and then select anyone, and then attach. Go to the geometry section and hit this button. After the attach button, this is the attach setting button, and then select anyone pattern here and then control all, so everything will be attached to this one, the object that we have selected. Okay, here you can see if you choose the border option, select all, the border option is showing us so many lines. This is because these vertices are not welded and these all parts are separate parts, because if we select this element option and then select any option, any object part, you can see this is a separate part and vertices are not welded. This is the front part of the fabric and this is the back side of the fabric. Here you can see. So what we are going to do, we wish to weld these are vertices, so I'm going to undo this, and I am also going to select this with the border, and then I will one more thing I'm going to show you. Just press the control key and click on the vertex button, and then you will see some vertices are selected, and if we want these vertices to be welded with each other, so we can do it under the geometry section, but this will be so problematic. Let me show you, but I will also show you how we can fix this one. So this step is very important to show you. First of all, just select the border, select all, and then press control key and then hit this vertex button, so all the vertices will be selected, and then come out in the edit vertices setting. Here you will see a weld button. After the weld button, you will see a small setting button of the weld option, and here is the option that how many strength you wish to apply to this to weld these vertices. I am okay with 0.1, so I will press yes. So again, if I go back to the border mode and again I select the model, you see so many vertices are selected, so many vertices are welded, and but so many vertices are still not welded. So this is the issue that we have with our model. So we can fix this issue very easily. We will just we just need Zbrush to fix this problem. So I'm going to import the same model to the Zbrush. Here the outfit 01, just drag it to the canvas, and very important thing, to make sure that the model is in the viewport or canvas, and I'm going to the deformation section, and here I will increase the relax option. So see, when I increase the relax option, you see all the model parts are relaxed and stretched, and but we have a problem that they are not joined with all the vertices are separate. So this is the actual issue. So I'm going to undo this, and I'm going into the geometry section, and under the geometry section here you can see modify topology option, and under the modify topology option we have a weld points option. Here you can see you can also increase or decrease this option as well. So I'm going to leave it to the default one, so I will just click on the weld button, and then I'm going to the deformation section again, and here you see when I relax the model is relaxed and all the vertices are attached to each other. So the vertices are attached. Now I'm going to export this model for 3ds Max, and I will show you the model is fixed, there is no more vertices issues. Again I'm going to convert this to editable poly. These are, you can see the objects are different, but don't worry, just select any object and then go to the edit geometry section, and after the attach you see attach settings. Just select all and attach all these parts to each other. And here see, if I select the border and drag a window and try to select any mesh, you see all the other points, these polygons and edges and maybe elements are working properly, but the border is not going to pick the border because there is no border. All the vertices are attached to each other, and this is the thing that we want. So here is our model with the attached vertices, and we don't have any vertex issue here. If we export our model from Marvelous Designer or Clo3d with the welded settings, these vertices will be merged and will be very much different. So this is the thing that I wish to show you. If I helped you and you like my effort, please like my video and stay attached to my channel. Okay friends, one more thing I forgot to show you, that you have seen all the vertices are attached to each other. So here I'm going to select some parts of our model, and I also have enabled the soft selection. So you can see the these two parts are selected because as you know, the upper part was a different object and the lower was also different, but after attaching the vertices they are the same. If I move this part to the side, see all the vertices are still attached to each other. And if I wish to let me just let me just uncheck this option, and if we wish to manipulate these elements, we still have option to manipulate these parts. Here you can see, but when you rig your class to your character, so this is the main thing, that your character will deform something like this, and there will be no gap to your clock thing anymore. So this is a very nice trick to attach your clothing to your character. So I hope you like the artwork and the idea. So see you soon. Bye.